The title of the exhibition is called The White Cube, It's Never Empty, and it comprises a series of older works with more recent projects and a new production in this long room called Répond. Generally, my practice is multidisciplinary, and it is a research, an artistic research around the question of what is art in the Western society, mainly. I ask questions about the conditions of possibility of the art and the artist. This takes me to analyze different agents of legitimation and spaces where art is valued or where art is not present also. The title, The White Cube is Never Empty, refers to the presences that are always haunting the exhibition space. It also talks about how as an artist you're never starting from zero, you're always relying on testimonies or the works of previous authors. For this new installation, Déjà Vu, I work with the archive of photographic documentation of all the exhibitions that took place in Répond from 2002 to 2025, the time that the museum has been opened. And it plays with the idea of memory and how we remember certain exhibitions, maybe forget certain things about them, by creating a juxtaposition of many images from exhibitions at the same time. It's quite an empiric installation where we invite the visitors to really come to the museum and see it with their body and not only with the eyes. No, so it takes a lot of movement to discover all the different angles of the images. My assistant, Alberto Custodia, worked on reconstructing the images that Philippe de Gobert and Isabelle Arthuis, the photographers of the museum, took from these exhibitions by using certain techniques of reenactment, which could play from anamorphose, which is a Renaissance technique that plays with the point of view of the viewer, but also different sorts of trompe l'oeil, so by creating illusions that certain elements of the architecture are there or certain works that change depending on your point of view. I think that for my work, it's important to ask questions about constant production of exhibitions in the system of contemporary art and what is the effect these exhibitions have in the audience also and in the people that we go and see them. So it's a way to stop and look back and consider the meaning of producing an exhibition in a way, even my own exhibition.